Morning, everyone. Lindsay and I are just here at the Pig and Whistle, the remote snowmobile cabin up in the Highlands. We got up bright and early this morning, headed up this way. We're in the hunt for some moose. We're not hunting moose. We're just gonna go look for some moose and see if we can get some pictures. But they've done a lot here. Look, they got a solar system all set up now, which is really cool. An emergency phone. That's amazing. And here we have Lindsay.
Hey guys, I'm ready for an adventure. I want to see some moose today.
Yep. All right, so we're in the truck today, and we're gonna stay somewhere tonight, and we don't know where yet. But we'll take you along, and we'll find out. We're just gonna go off the beaten path a little bit. We're in search for moose, but we're also going down. I have a waterfall pin down here. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we're gonna try. All right, we're on foot now.
We're on foot. We're hunting for a waterfall.
Yeah, we can hear it. It's off in the distance. If anything happens to us and this video's found, or this camera, please post it.
Please post it. And we love our wives.
Yeah, we love our wives. Oh, what about our kids?
Oh, love our kids too.
Yes, love our kids too. Can you guys hear that?
What?
It's just down over the hill.
What?
It sounds much bigger than it is.
It sounds much bigger, but you know what?
It's still beautiful.
Size doesn't always matter. Wow. Oh, look over there too. There's like a little
Cascade coming down the side. All right, we're gonna put what this falls is called on the screen because Lindsay's gonna try to pronounce it.
I'm gonna try, but I do not know Gaelic, okay? So it's South Calamra Brook Falls.
Yeah.
And that could be totally not even close, but
Let us know if we're wrong.
yeah, let us know.
Okay guys, the funny thing about this falls is we were about 75 meters upstream from the actual falls. This was just a little cascade, so that means we have to go back and find it.
Check that out. I'm a 10.5. The moose track. Huge moose track. We're up near the headwaters of the Northeast Margaree River. It's flowing good. Can't see very far up here. We're just coming across Park Spur up the Highlands. This little runoff just off the side of the road. Still beautiful and pretty. Just traveling down some mountain roads, going exploring. Oh, looks like a cabin in the woods. Well, Linz, I think this is going to be our humble abode tonight.
This is where we're staying. It looks good to me. Look at the kitchen.
I know, they're all set. We didn't need to bring nothing.
And I'm not doing the dishes.
That leaves me to do them. Alright, first things first, we're gonna get the wood stove going. Oh my god, Lindsay gave me a dull knife. She cut shit with that. Tomahawk. Big old chunk of meat. Look at that beauty. Once it's cooked, we'll sear it. It's called a reverse sear. So we're going to sit it on the wood stove like that. I'll turn it every so often. Give that a couple hours to slowly cook. Our tomahawk here. Oh, ho, ho. We're going to stick her on there for a bit. Get some rosemary cut up. Now we'll get some thyme cut up. Alright, what else do we got? Whoa, we have some parsley too, from my wife's garden. Get some of this going too. We have some garlic. Alright, we get some fresh garlic. Alright, we got our fresh herbs and garlic. Get that. Mix that all up first, Linz.
Okay. See, I'm good for something. I'm a good mixer. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. This should be in a Christmas movie or something, or a Christmas show. Look at this.
Okay.
Close up of the meat before it goes on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright. Get that up, get that hot. Alright. While Lindsay sears that up, I'm gonna get the asparagus ready. Now my wife told me just bend it wherever it breaks, throw the bottom section out. That's the woody part. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I'm doing.
Look at that.
We're going to finish it with some salt and pepper. And it's only really good if you do it like this.
Perfect.
A little bit more?
A little bit more. You're a professional up in here. Jamie Oliver, though. You got Jamie Oliver in the crosshairs.
Get a little salt. Only tastes better if it's off the elbow.
Yep. Where'd you learn that trick?
Oh, can't tell you my secrets.
Oh,
We ready to flip?
Ready to flip.
Oh, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Some salt with it. That was the pepper.
We need some
Salty.
We need some salt dip. Ready?
We're gonna flip up.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll do that in slow motion.
Yeah. Well, that's definitely gonna be a slow motion shot.
All right, folks. That's it. We're gonna wrap it in tin foil, let it rest, and we'll get our asparagus on the go. All right, you get the asparagus on the go. Fry that up. Meat and veggies tonight, Lindsay.
Meat and veggies. Asparagus, delish. Plus all the vegetables that we put on the steak.
Yes, that's right. Herbs.
Herbs. They count as vegetables.
In my books, they do.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we're going to sit down and enjoy our tomahawk steaks and some asparagus. And we're like, what are the Flintstones' names?
Oh, Fred and Bernie.
Yeah, we're Fred and Barney Flintstone right here, eating the tomahawk steaks. Dino's parked out back. Anyway, we're just sitting here, enjoying our meal. Just want to say we're thankful for everybody. And you know what? That's it for tonight.
Just woke up from solid 10 hours of sleep to a little dusting of snow. It's beautiful out.
All right, folks, we're heading out of the bush here. DJ's driving because I'm a wuss. We got a big hill to adventure up. Yeah, see where the rock went though?
This is gorgeous. Just a little dusting. The sky is getting clear. The trees got a little coating on them. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Just driving. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The sun cutting through the clouds there. It's just like a little hole in them. That's pretty wicked. Oh, we see a cabin in the woods. We need to go check that out. Old is right. This is definitely abandoned. Must be a little... I don't know, we can get in through this way too. Make sure we're not stepping on any nails. Oh, not much left of this. Okay, you gotta walk on the beams, because in between them's gone. What's for supper? An oldie.
Oh, wow.
Floor system is gone. She is gone. Not much left of this. Yeah, there's not much left to her. It sits right on the brook. Beautiful. Beautiful spot. Gorgeous. We're just coming up on another little shack here. We'll go have a peek. Cute little place. There you go. Oh yeah. It's a nice little cabin. Look, Beautiful little spot.
Oh, wow.
Snowmobile trails.
Wood stove.
Yeah, very
That's
nice.
cool.
Yeah. Cool. Ah, there looks to be a little shack on the other side of the brook here, but I don't know how you get to that. I didn't bring my boots. You can see the bridge is washed out. There's not much left of that over there. Beautiful views just coming down in the Belcoat. Well guys, that brings this adventure to an end. We had a fun weekend, Lindsay and I.
Yeah, it was awesome. We saw some moose and we saw some coyotes and
got to stay in some cool cabins.
it was awesome. I have never taken my truck on an adventure like this, so got to put her through the paces, and I'm impressed.
Hopefully some new scratches.
Hey, I don't care about scratches if it's for an adventure.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks,
Take
guys.
care.